Hello, and welcome to this lecture on midjourney. I'm excited to guide you through the basics of this powerful tool. Welcome to this comprehensive lecture on how to use midjourney, an innovative AI-powered tool that brings your creative visions to life. Firstly, we'll learn about navigating the midjourney website and explore the various features. Second, understanding and using commands. Midjourney operates on a command-based system, allowing you to input specific instructions to generate unique images. In this section, we'll cover the essential command list, explaining what each command does and how you can use them to manipulate and fine-tune your outputs. From basic prompts to more advanced commands, you will gain a thorough understanding of how to control the AI's creative process. Thirdly, practical examples. We'll also walk through practical examples showing you how to apply these commands in real time to generate various types of artwork. Now let's start. Website navigation. At midjourney.com, you can create new images, manage your existing images, provide feedback to the team, and more. First, explore. When you click this button, you can explore images generated by members of the midjourney community. Create. When you click this button, you can create your own images using the web creation interface. You can adjust your prompt setting by clicking this button and change the image size here. Or by dragging this. And you can also manage aesthetics of your prompt by stylization, which influences how strongly the midjourney aesthetic is applied. Low stylization values produce images that closely match the prompt, but are less artistic. High stylization values create images that are very artistic, but less connected to the prompt. Weirdness, which introduces quirky qualities to your generated images, resulting in unique and unexpected outcomes. Variety, which influences how varied the images are. High values will produce more unusual and unexpected results in compositions. Lower values have more reliable, repeatable results. You can control these aesthetics by dragging this. In mode, there's two modes, which is standard and raw. Raw mode replaces the default aesthetic of some midjourney model versions. Using it can help you create more photorealistic images, cinematic scenes, or cuter characters. You can also change versions here. I explained about versions in previous video. Personalize, which personalize your prompt based on images you've ranked. You can rank images in task. This setting is only available on version 6 or higher. You can turn this on and off by clicking these buttons. You can also manage the speed here by clicking Relax, Fast, and Turbo. I also explained about speed in previous video. By entering the prompts here and clicking spacebar after it, midjourney automatically generates the images. Chat. It connects with the midjourney community create images and share the spaces with everyone, or create private rooms and invite to your friends. When you click Your Images, you can work on private room. When you click Tasks, here you can earn free fast time with ranked images and surveys, or provide feedback to the team about features you'd like to see with rates ideas. Help. Click here for links to midjourney documentation and support resources. For example, if you click one of these options, you can find some helpful documentations. Updates. Here you can catch up on midjourney's announcements, office hours news, and other changes. Set your personal notification preferences with the gear icon. Light dark mode. When you click this button, it gives two options to change into light mode or dark mode. Account. Manage subscription. You can subscribe or make changes to your current plan. You can also purchase additional fast hours, check your plan details, and access your billing information. Manage uploads. You can view and manage the images you've used as prompt references. Sign out. By this button, you can sign out of the website. From the Explore page, discover what's possible with midjourney and find fun and beautiful prompts to inspire your own creativity. On the Explore page, you will find images generated by other users and can quickly use those prompts and images to inspire your own unique creations. Notice that your website and Discord settings are synced. This means that if you change your settings in one place, they automatically change in the other, including your generation speed and Still's mode settings. On the search bar, you can search images in your Create feed. You can search by prompt text or parameters, hovering over an image or prompt. As you generate the images, they will appear on your Create page with the most recent images at the top. Hovering over the generated images or the prompt to display on the right will show some additional options. Hovering over an image. When you hover over a generated image, to reveal very subtle and very strong buttons. Learn more about the differences between subtle and strong variations on the previous video. Hovering over a prompt. On the right side of the Create page, you will see the prompts used to generate your images, including any parameters and image references. Hover over this section to see additional actions you can take with your images. Rerun, which will repeat this job. Use. Copy this prompt to the imaging bar to quickly reuse it or tweak it. Parameters and reference images used in the prompt will be copied too. Hide. Hide this image from your Create feed. This will also hide the image from your archive. More, which will let you see a menu of additional options for this job. The Copy button. This Copy button copies the prompt, job ID, seed, image, or image URL to your clipboard. Report. It lets you report an image you believe violates the community guidelines. Download button. It lets you download the selected image. Open in Discord button. It lets you jump to the location in Discord where this image was generated. For images generated on the website, a Discord URL now available header will appear if you click this button. Click on an image in your Create page feed to see additional actions you can take with the image. Second, menu buttons, options button, and manually copy prompt detail, including the image. Now we will explore about creation actions. You can use the buttons here to generate new images based on this one. By default, not all of these options are shown. To customize which buttons appear for you in the light box, click More Options and toggle the checkboxes to show or hide features. To learn more about each of these actions, visit their feature pages on the midjourney website or watch my previous video. Explore page. On the Explore page, you will find images generated by other users and can quickly use these prompts and images to inspire your own unique creations. Imagine bar. On this bar, you can enter prompts, manage image references, and adjust your settings from the Imagine bar. Search prompts. It search images generated by all midjourney users. You can search for prompt text. For example, cyberpunk cats, like --chaos 100. We'll explore about parameters later. For now, to see how other midjourney users are prompting, explore page sorting options. By default, the Explore page shows a selection of random, recently generated images by other users. To see a different set of images or use the sorting options to switch between different views. Random. By clicking Random, it shows random recent images from the midjourney community. Hot. It shows trending images. Top. It shows the top rated images from the chosen time period. Likes. It shows images from other users you've liked. Hover over an image. When you mouse over an image on the Explore page, you will see new details and options. Username. The username of the midjourney user who generated the image. Click on it to see their public midjourney images. Use as image prompt. Add this image as an image prompt to the Imagine bar at the top of the page. Edit prompt. Add this prompt, including parameters like any image prompts or reference images, to the Imagine bar at the top of the page. Search image. Search for other images like this one. Like image. Like other users' images so they appear in your liked view. You can see what you liked by clicking this button. Click on an image. When you click on a single image on the Explore page, you will see additional details including the prompt and parameters used to generate it. First, prompt text and parameters. The full prompt including the parameters, their values, and any reference images appear here. Second, menu buttons. Options. Manually copy prompt details including the image URL and prompt to use in your own generations. Search. If find images similar to this one. Like other users' images so they appear in your liked view. Third, use. These buttons allow you to quickly and easily use this image in your own prompt. Image. I use this image as an image prompt. Image prompts. You can use images as part of a prompt to influence a job's compositions, styles, and colors. Images prompts can be used alone or with text prompts. Experiment with combining images with different styles for the most exciting results. Now let's learn how to do this. To add the images to a prompt, type or paste the web address where the image is stored online. The address must end in an extension like PNG, GIF, or JPG. After adding image address and any additional text and parameters to complete the prompt, you can copy the image address by clicking this, then click copy, then image URL. Style. Use this image as a style reference. What's style reference? You can use images as style references in your prompt to influence the style or aesthetic of images you want midjourney to make. To add style references to a prompt, use the --serif parameter with the web address where the image is stored online. But note that style references only apply to prompts that include text. They cannot be used with image-only prompts. This is the differences. By using this image as reference image, you can generate an image of a cat by applying same style of reference image. Prompt. Use this image as prompt. Explore feed. Click through the other nearby images from the Explore feed. You can also use your mouse wheel to scroll through these images from anywhere on the page. Working with images on web. On midjourney.com, you can easily upload and manage images you want to use as references in your prompts. Add images quickly as you work on the Create page, or upload and manage your existing image references on the Manage Uploads page. Image upload and selection. Click the button in the Imagine bar on any page to open the image selection tool. If the image you want to use is already shown, click on it to add it to your prompt. By default, it will be added as an image prompt, but you can also choose to use it as a style reference or character reference instead, with the appropriate buttons. There are several additional things you can do from this screen. Choose a file or drop it here. If the image you want to use isn't already shown here, drag and drop it from your computer onto this box. Or click and navigate through your files to find and edit. The image will appear in the grid of images to the right, and will also be added to your current prompt as an image reference. Delete button. It removes this image from your uploads. Jobs that use this image as a reference won't be affected. Describe button. Generate a list of subjects and descriptors based on this image. This works similarly to the /describe command in Discord, but instead of generating several full prompts, it will give you a variety of words and phrases to play with. Clicking on one of the generated phrases will add it to the end of your current prompt. Click the reload button to generate new descriptions and the back button to go back to the image selection tool. Using image references. When you add an image to your prompt, it will be used as an image prompt by default, but you can hover over the image to choose a different options. Character reference. You can use the selected image as a character reference by clicking this first button on the image. Style reference. You can use the selected image as a style reference by clicking the second button. Image prompt. You can use this image as an image prompt. Remove. You can remove this image from your current prompt. To use the same image in multiple ways in a prompt, for example, as both a character reference and a style reference, click Shift and click on the corresponding icons. A darker icon like the image prompt icon above means you've chosen that reference type. You can also use the buttons on the right to manage your reference images. Lock and unlock. Your image prompts are unlocked by default, meaning they will clear every time you submit a prompt. You can lock them to keep your selections between prompts. This will also lock the type of reference. It turns into red to indicate your image references are locked. And your selections will stay the same until you make changes or unlock them again. You can lock or unlock references individually. Delete button. It removes all image references from your current prompt and close the image selection tool. Command list. You can interact with the midjourney bot on Discord by typing a command. Commands are used to create images, change default settings, monitor user info, and perform other helpful tasks. Midjourney commands can be used in any bot channel, on private Discord servers where the midjourney bot has been permitted to operate, or in a direct message with the midjourney bot. Now I will explain about a list of commands. -ask. It lets you get an answer to a question. For example, you can ask something like this: how do I use midjourney? The midjourney gives you an answer about this. /blend. Easily blend two images together. Now we will explore about blend. The blend command allows you to upload 2 to 5 images quickly, and then looks at the concepts and aesthetics of each image and merges them into a novel new image. /blend is the same as using multiple image prompts with /imagine, but the interface is optimized for easy use on mobile devices. It works with up to 5 images. To use more than 5 images in a prompt, use image prompts with /imagine. It does not work with text prompts. To use text and image prompts together, use image prompts and text with /imagine. /blend options. After typing the /blend command, you will be prompted to upload 2 photos. Drag and drop images from your computer. To add more images, select the optional Options field and select Image 3, Image 4, or Image 5. The /blend command may take longer to start than other commands because your images must be uploaded before the midjourney bot can process your request. Blended images have a default 1:1 aspect ratio, but you can use the optional dimensions field to select between a scale aspect ratio, portrait aspect ratio, or landscape aspect ratio. Custom suffixes are added to the end of the /blend prompt, like any other /imaging prompt. Aspect ratios specified as part of the /blend command override aspect ratios within a custom suffix. To give a blending tip, upload images that are the same aspect ratio as your desired result. These are the images that are generated by using blending option. /describe. It writes for example prompts based on an image you upload. The describe command allows you to upload an image and generate 4 possible prompts. Legacy /describe. By default, the Discord/describe generates prompts that will work best within version 6. If you set your default midjourney version to 5.0 in Discord, /describe will generate shorter prompts that work better with older model versions. /help. It shows helpful basic information and tips about the midjourney bot. /imagine. It generates an image using a prompt. We learned about this in previous video. /info. It lets you view information about your account and any queued or running jobs. User ID. This is your midjourney user ID. Subscription. The subscription section shows which plan you're subscribed to and your next renewal date. Visibility mode. It shows whether you're currently in public or stealth mode. Stealth mode is only available to Pro Plan subscribers. Fast time remaining. It shows your remaining fast GPU time for the month. Fast GPU time resets monthly and does not carry over. Ranking count. It shows your total number of ranked images, along with the number of images ranked in the last 30 days. It shows your lifetime midjourney stats. Images include all types of generations. Fast, turbo, and relaxed usage. It shows your fast, turbo, and relaxed mode usage. Fast and relaxed jobs. It lists all jobs queued to run. Running jobs. It lists all jobs currently running. A maximum of 3 jobs can run at the same time. /settings. View and adjust the midjourney bot's settings. We also learned about settings in previous video. /shorten. Submit a long prompt and receive suggestions on how to make it more concise. You can analyze a prompt with /shorten. The midjourney bot analyzes your prompt by breaking it down into smaller units known as tokens. These tokens can be phrases, words, or even syllables. The midjourney bot converts these tokens into a format it can understand. You can see the difference of shortened prompts. /show. It uses an image's job ID to regenerate the job within Discord. Find the job ID. Now let me show you how to do this. First, find the job ID. Job IDs are unique identifiers used for each image generated by midjourney. Job IDs look like this, and it can be found in the first part of all images file names, in the URLs on the website, and in an image's file name. On the web, You can find the job ID of any image in your member gallery by selecting options, Copy, then Job ID. From the URL. Now let me show you how to use show. Use the /show and then paste the job ID that you copied. /subscribe. It generates a personal link for a user's account page. We also learned about this in previous video. /user ID. It lets you get your midjourney user ID. Let me explain some of the important commands with examples. Describe commands. We learned that the describe commands allows you to upload an image and generate 4 possible prompts based on that image. You can use the describe command to explore new vocabulary and aesthetic movements. The describe feature generates prompt suggestions that are inspirational and suggestive. Describing the same image again will provide different suggestions. An example of /describe in Discord. If you use the describe command, with the below image midjourney bot will suggest 4 prompts that may generate similar images. First, drawing of a Persian cat face in purple ballpoint pen on a white background with purple fur in the style of unknown artist. Second, a purple pencil drawing of a Persian cat, white background in the style of John Beastman. Third, a purple pencil drawing of an adorable Persian cat with simple lines on a white background, featuring fine details and a beautiful composition in the style of a hyper-realistic work, with sharp edges and sharp focus. Fourth, a purple pencil drawing of an exotic short-hair cat, simple line art with a white background. Fine lines and pastel colors create a soft and delicate atmosphere in this close-up portrait. The sketching style depicts the cat as cute and dreamy, with intricate detail shown through detailed lines in a front view. The ink wash technique uses dark black tones with low saturation to create a style of the artist. Try each of these prompts by yourself and practice this describe command with several different images. Now we will explore about shorten command. We learned that the shorten command analyzes your prompt, highlights some of your prompt's most influential words, and suggests unnecessary words you could remove. With this command, you can optimize your prompt by focusing on essential terms. /shorten is not compatible with multi-prompts or the no parameter. We will study about parameter in next video. Now I will show you some shorten command examples. If you want to create a pile of sprinkle-covered donuts, you might try the prompt. Please create a whimsical majestic tower of donuts, intricately crafted and adorned with a mesmerizing array of colorful sprinkles. Bring this sugary masterpiece to life, ensuring every detail is rendered in stunning magical realism. If you use shorten command with the above prompt, the midjourney bot will return the following information. Important tokens. Please, a whimsical majestic tower of donuts, intricately crafted and adorned with a mesmerizing array of colorful sprinkles. Bring this sugary masterpiece to life. Detail is rendered in magical realism. Shortened prompts. First, Please, majestic tower of donuts, crafted, array of colorful sprinkles, sugary masterpiece, rendered, magical realism. Second, please, majestic tower of donuts, colorful sprinkles, sugary masterpiece, rendered, magical realism. Third, majestic tower of donuts, colorful sprinkles, sugary, magical realism. Fourth, majestic tower of donuts, colorful sprinkles, magical. Fifth, tower of donuts, sprinkles. Try each of these prompts by yourself and see the differences. The most important tokens in your prompt are highlighted in bold. The least important are stuck through. Analyzing the results, the shortest prompt, option 5, which is Tower of Donuts, Sprinkles, produced an image closest to the original goal. Learning the tower and magical were considered important tokens helps explain why some images were generated with fairy tale castle elements. Learning this provided a clue that magical should be removed from the prompt if the goal was to create a stack of delicious donuts. The shorten command is a tool to help you explore how the midjourney bot interprets tokens and experiment with words, but it may not work for all subjects and styles of prompting. Thank you for watching this video.